Established in 2014, Guangxi XUVOL Construction Machinery Equipment Company Limited is a smart factory focused in mechanized forest equipment, forwarder, tree harvester head, grapple saw, timber crane, log grapples, excavator grapples, and customized orders supported. XUVOL use top-of-the-line laser cutting machine with high precision, speedy, quality, stability features. This ensure intelligent, formalized, automated, and efficient production. After laser cutting, small parts are strictly organized in bucket following 5S methodology. To reach precision and accuracy, harvester main frame will be in the machining machines. This consistently produce within tight tolerances, ensuring the components meet the required specifications. XUVOL use several welding robots to increase productivity, consistency, and quality, producing more quality products with lower price. XUVOL precision machining workshops provide necessary expertise, equipment, and capabilities to manufacture high-precision, complex, and customized components. XUVOL Constant Temperature Testing Center is equipped with cylindrical meter, surface roughness profile, 3-coordinate measuring instrument. It has the ability to control the high precision level of 0.001 millimeters. Our technical teams are with rich experience in the industrial design and development of electrical, hydraulic, structural fields. Customers from countries around the world, US, Canada, Argentina, France, Belarus, Russia, Australia, Indonesia, and more choose XUVOL products. XUVOL log grapple can be mounted to 90% of the world's major excavators. XUVOL rank first in log grapple in domestic market. XUVOL firmly believe in quality shape the future, from tree planting to harvesting. We provide solutions for your success, for sustainable growth, brighter future.